For achievers, today I am going to tell you one of the best career options if you are really passionate about that field. What is that? That is MMF, career opportunities in MMF industries. What is MMF? It is man-made fiber. We'll go in detail. Please be with me. It is a video for 10 to 12 minutes. If you are passionate about this man-made fiber, but if you don't know what is fiber, man-made fiber, we'll go. Let's see. Please stay with me at least for 10 to 12 minutes. See, it is a career options for you and it is a sustainable career. This career opportunity is not going to vanish. Nobody can change this one, I guarantee you. If you go 10 to 15 years down the line, there will be demand and there will be supply, I don't know, there will be demand for these career opportunities. Before going to the topic, today's topic is the career opportunities in MMF industry. Before going to this topic, I am welcoming you to my channel @Pratap in the bracket the 6th Sense PH, where we are building super achievers by integrating artificial intelligence, 6th sense, learning, health and spirituality. Everything is required nowadays. It is not only academics that you perform in academics and you flourish. No. As a person, you must be explored, you must be, know about all the things so that you live a purposeful, joyful and rich life. You develop yourself holistically through these processes. So, if you liked this video, please hit the bell icon, subscribe and share with your friends so that let us build a community of super achievers and shout out to the world. Please join with me to become a super achiever. So today's topic, today we'll see what is MMF, tough career opportunities, what are the basic qualification, salary structure and the future demand and trends. What is going to be. Let me start with where we use this man-made fiber. MMF is man-made fiber, but let us understand what is a fiber. Are you knowing this? So let me just tell you as a simple understanding, a thread is a fiber. Like this t-shirt is made from cotton fiber. The minute one is a thread only. If you see, you get cotton, it is actually a tree. From cotton, with a process we make thread. Then these threads are used to prepare these textiles, clothes, bed sheets, everything. So there are two types of fiber. One is natural fiber. Natural fiber is divided into two. One is from plants like cotton and from animals like wool. So these are the two types natural fiber. Then it is synthetic fiber and regenerative fiber. Synthetic one is, simple one is polyester and regenerated is rayon. These are the, you may be knowing, but you can search it. Polyester you know, rayon is a regenerated fiber. And where are these are being used, and you will be astonishing to know that 70% that fiber is being used in our day-to-day life. 70% are man-made fiber. Because how much cotton you will get? Since the demand for cotton is more, that these cotton clothes are expensive. Why cotton clothes? We need pure cotton. We ask when you go see the tag, pure cotton. Because it is, it is a comfortable fiber. We feel comfortable with cottons. In summer season, everybody needs cotton. But if you go to the winter countries where cold is below 0 degree or below 0 degree, there they use man-made fibers. Okay, wool is there, but also synthetic fibers are being used. Now let us see step-by-step process how to get into this MMF. Before that, let's see the uses. Textile. Textile means you know, it is a clothes, bed sheets, these things are textiles. Then technical, where it is being used, these fibers are being used. Technical. Technical means like in medical use, military use. These are the technicals. Then it is automotive. Automotive use, like car, seat cover, might have seen. Any vehicle see the seat covers and airbags in the car. industrial use like ropes and making fishing nets, ropes to lift the materials, heavy materials. So these are uses of man-made as well as man-made fibers. Basically, I'm talking about man-made fibers. Now, let us see what are the career opportunities. See, like any other career opportunity, first it is your research and development. I think this is the best opportunity for you. If you can go for research and development, you can become a fiber scientist to develop new fibers, man-made fibers. Just imagine how challenging, how knowledgeable, how innovative, how creative you have to be when you apply your brains. Apply your brain. Next one is textile. Textile research and development will be optimizing the fiber processing. Next one is polymer chemist. He has to design the chemical process for the fibers. See why the fiber scientist is actually, it will be in demand, you know. He has to develop new fibers, sustainable fibers, without damaging our environment. Right? Next it is manufacturing. In manufacturing, you know, there are different departments like production, quality, logistic, planning. There are options. Where there is an industry, this will be there, manufacturing. Then it is your sales and marketing. And it is your textile for special applications. Special applications means what? Just I told you. It is your medical textiles, aprons, gowns, masks. Then it is your automotive textiles like vehicle seat covers, airbags, and any seat cover you take. Aircraft also. Seat covers are synthetic. Smart textile. Nowadays, everywhere is AI. Here also, artificial intelligence started entering. So I think the type of clothes that are being designed to control the temperature. As for your body temperature and outside temperature, the clothes can control the temperature so that you feel comfortable. And see how much demand will be there in these things. So these are the career opportunities. And these things will go on increasing. Future trends, if you think, and it will be a special type of fiber that you have to develop so that you can become a fiber scientist. And manufacturing means it will be, demand will be there. When there is development, there will be manufacturing, there will be sales, and there will be marketing. It is a chain process that you know. Do you think the demand will go on decreasing? No, never. Because population is also increasing and there will be demand for clothes and other things. Medical institutes are increasing. People are getting ill more and more. They are getting ill. So it will go on increasing. Now let us see what are the basic educational qualifications that you need to have. How to get into this man-made fiber industry. If you are thinking of a little bit higher to start as a graduate engineer, then you have to go for B.Tech in textile technology or chemical engineering or man-made fiber technology. There are institutes in India. You can search it, you can find out. If you need more help, I can help you to find out the institutes. Many IITs, NITs, or the other engineering colleges, they have this textile technology. You can do it. Also chemical engineering. The person, actually, I read an article in LinkedIn yesterday. That's why I'm making this video. The person, he has done chemical engineering B.Tech. Then from India, now just he has shifted to Finland. He has now settled in Finland. He's working in man-made fiber industry. So when he can move from India to Finland, you also can move from India to any other country where there is opportunities. So think that way. You must have a big vision. And if you think a little bit low, you can go for the diploma courses. You can have diploma in textile technology. Many institutes are providing diploma in technical technology. Textile technology. In one of my one of the boys from one of my villages, he is also working in textile technology. So there are demand. See, What are the industries? Clothing industries will take you. A lot of clothing industries are there in India as well as abroad. Those who are developing clothes. That is it. And like, see, synthetic, if you are a chemical engineer, if you can doing studying about synthetics, you can develop a paint also. Okay, that is a different subject. Just I am telling you man-made fiber industry. So that's all for today. And let me tell you this salary structure. Salary, you know, in India starts from 4 to 5 lakhs to it will go up to 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Depending upon your industry, your expertise, your location, your qualification, lot of things. So if you are really passionate about, please think of, I can help you out. Please contact me if you need more help. I think it is one of the best career opportunity for girl students. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel and let us build a community of super achievers and shout out to the world. All the love, all the power.